This is a how-to episode about legal separation and dissolution of marriage or divorce in Colorado. Now, as longtime listeners know, we have a story involving Eric and Melanie Wolf and the deterioration of their marriage. If you're unfamiliar with that story, go back and check out episode 1 for Eric Wolf's story. You can also Google either one of their names and my last name, or find their stories on our website, kalamaya.law, in order to kind of put things into context. Now, if we go into the marriage counselor's office where Melanie announces that she has hired a lawyer, and instead of her saying, I'm going to be seeking a divorce, she says, I'm going to be pursuing a legal separation, Eric's going to ask himself, well, what's the difference? Why is she doing a legal separation? The main difference between a legal separation and divorce is that at the end, Eric and Melanie will still legally be married. But the process is still the same. There's a petition that is filed. That petition actually in Colorado is the same. It's just a different box is checked, and one of petitioning the court for legal separation instead of dissolving the marriage. But the financial disclosures, the financial agreements that are made in terms of support and child support, maintenance, they're all the same. So the question becomes, well, why would people pursue a legal separation over divorce? And the question will vary, or the answer rather will vary. And it depends on people's perspectives on religion or emotion. Some pursue legal separation because they have a religious opposition to divorce. Some spouses may want to hold out the prospect of reconciliation, but they want to formalize the split of their finances. There might be tax or insurance related reasons. Some insurance programs will allow legally separated spouses to remain on a joint or family health insurance plan. Many other insurance plans will consider a legal separation to be effectively a divorce and will remove a spouse, or they no longer become eligible. Similarly, with the IRS, after a decree of legal separation is issued, as of the recording, the IRS would consider those people to be effectively separated to the point where they could not file a joint tax return. There could also be emotional issues that people might not be ready to, quote unquote, be divorced. There may again, also be some retirement related benefits, in particular related to spouses in the military or some sort of pension. Regardless, there are different ways that people can approach this question and arrive at the same answer, and that might be that they want to pursue a legal separation instead of a divorce. Once a decree, however, of legal separation is entered, the process by which to convert it into a dissolution of marriage is fairly straightforward and simple. So many people will start off the process and file a petition for legal separation and then convert the decree of separation into divorce.